Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off wireless emergency alert vibrations on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy, a Google Pixel, or another Android-based phone, in today's tutorial I have you covered, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Settings gear button. And then you want to go down and select the safety and emergency tile. And then go all the way to the bottom where it says wireless emergency alerts and select that. And then scroll down underneath alert preferences. If vibration is toggled to the right, it means it's enabled. If you want to disable it, just click inside that oval one time until it's grayed out like you see on my screen. And that's how you basically switch between the on and the off option. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.